Hello Tech Explorers, want to change the aspect ratio in Invideo AI? No worries, I'll show you how in just few simple steps. Let's get started. Quick question, what aspect ratio do you usually use for your videos? Let me know in the comments below. First, open Invideo AI and log into your account. Now, start a new project or continue working on an existing one. Type in anything you want to generate and you'll see options for different aspect ratios like YouTube, YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Simply tap on the one you prefer, then hit continue. Invideo AI will now start generating your video based on your selection. Just give it a few seconds. And that's it, your video is now set in the perfect aspect ratio. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.